Hello, students. Today we are going to start our new poetry, that is Father Returning Home 2.5 uh, from second unit. Okay, it means poetry unit or section, second section, that is poetry. Name of the poetry is Father Returning Home, and the poet is Dilip Chitre. Okay, first of all we have to start from the ice break, that is page number 115. Okay, first point is that discuss with your partner the difficulties that you face while commuting to and from the college by public transport. Okay, if you use the public transport, then what are your difficulties? You have to write 4 points here, and after discussing with your partner, what will first, क्या रहेगा आपका फर्स्ट? अगर आप कॉलेज से आते जाते समय अगर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करनी पड़ती है, वो यहाँ आपको लिखनी है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल that will be the crowded buses or trains. If you use bus, then bus, and or if you use train, obviously you use bus. Crowded buses. Thereafter second problem is that difficult to board in the peak hours. It is very difficult to board in peak hours. Third problem is that it may be possible you miss the bus or train, your bus or your train. Thereafter, in such days, on such days, when you commuting to and fro the college by public transport, is that on such days you miss an important lecture. Sometime if you miss your bus or train, it is very difficult to attend the lecture, which is very important for you. Okay, these are the difficulties faced by you. Sometime sometime you face a different type of the problems. Okay, second point is that similar problems are faced by the other commuters on the way to their workplace. Imagine their plight and suggest three solutions. ओके, तो यहाँ आपको ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम्स किसी और जो कम्यूटर्स होते हैं उनको भी फेस करने पड़ते हैं. ये प्रॉब्लम क्या हो सकती है, इसकी आपको इमेजिनेशन करनी है और आपको इसके बारे में सजेशंस भी, सॉल्यूशंस भी देने हैं. थ्री सॉल्यूशंस. फर्स्ट इज गिवन हियर, गिवन देम योर प्लेस टू सिट. आप अपनी प्लेस उसे दे सकते हो. सेकेंड क्या हो सकता है, क्या कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हो आप उसको? यू विल ऑल्सो हेल्प हिम to crowd to board the bus or train. You can also help them by requesting to others to give seat for them. Okay, then you can take share rides for the same cost with those traveling same route. Then you can also offer them to those traveling in the same direction if you are also travel in the same directions. Okay, तो इस तरह से आप उनकी हेल्प भी कर सकते हो. थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट complete the following table. You have to complete the following table. First column is A and second is B. In first column, the way our elder the way our elder takes care of us, है ना. तो अपने जो एल्डर्स होते हैं हमारी कैसी केयर करते हैं, और दूसरा है द वे यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ एल्डर्स इन योर फैमिली. तो आप कैसे उनकी हेल्प करते हो, है ना. तो फर्स्ट इज गिवन हियर, love and protect us. Our elder love us and protect us. Second, they also support us, they guide us, educate us through childhood and youth until we independent. Okay, thereafter they provide us pocket money, gifts if we ask for. Fourth point is that we can say that they also help us in our difficult time or difficult problems, to solve the problems, you know. It means that they support us. Okay, in second column B, द वे यू कैन टेक केयर द ऑफ एल्डर्स इन योर फैमिली, आप कैसे अपने एल्डर्स की केयर करते हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हेल्प देम इन डेली रूटीन, इन डेली कोर्स. देन we also help them in their outside work, that is banks, stores or other requirements. Okay, we ensure good health with exercise, social engagement, meditation, etc. We also help them in their in use of modern gadgets, no, in using mobile, नेट, इंटरनेट और लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर एक्सेट्रा, है ना. इस तरह से हम अपने एल्डर्स की भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. आए समझ में. तो उसके बाद फोर्थ पॉइंट इज हियर, write your duties toward the following. Your duties, that's very important, huh? You have to write your duties toward your family as well as to your school and college. There are also 2 points, 3 points in family. Your duties toward your parents, your duties to your siblings, your duties toward your grandparents. Okay. And second, that is school or college, your duties toward your teachers and your classmates also. Okay. So you have to mention the duties. What you think about your family members, that is parents. Parents क्या कर सकते हैं, आपकी ड्यूटी क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, शेयर योर एवरी फीलिंग्स और योर ओपिनियन. आपके ओपिनियंस, आपके फीलिंग्स आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो. उसके बाद टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टूवर्ड द हाउस. घर की जो जिम्मेदारियाँ होती है वो भी आप ले सकते हो. टू हेल्प देम टू कट एक्सपेंसेस, डिस्कस डिफरेंट फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ट्राई टू हेल्प देम इन एनी वे. ओके, you can these are your duties. First important duty is share everything with your parents. पहली आपकी ड्यूटी क्या रहेगी, एवरीथिंग आपको एवरीथिंग शेयर करनी चाहिए अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, रिलेटेड टू आवर प्रॉब्लम, रिलेटेड टू फैमिली प्रॉब्लम, रिलेटेड टू एंड एनी अदर वेज. ओके. व्हाट आर योर ड्यूटीज टूवर्ड योर सिबलिंग्स. क्या ड्यूटी हो सकती है. इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट टू बी अ रोल मॉडल फॉर योर यंगर, है ना. शेयर रिसोर्सेस व्हेन possible or when possible. Okay. Then you can also correct, you can also help your sibling in their difficulties, in their duties also. Okay, toward the parents. Okay, you can also guide them in their study, in their every in their study. Okay. Thereafter, your duty toward your grandparents. It is very important to be respectful towards grandparents, help them in their sickness, then spend time with them, then chat with them, read to them, enjoy light. Thereafter, you should learn from them values, ask some problems, ask about their life, na? As youth. Then you can also take advice from them. You can also discuss your points, your opinion with your grandparents. Okay. In this way we can also help. These are our duties toward our grandparents. ओके. देयर आफ्टर है स्कूल एंड कॉलेज. स्कूल और कॉलेज के बारे में आपकी ड्यूटीज़ क्या है, ये तो आपको अच्छी तरह से पता ही है कि आपके स्कूल की तरफ आपकी क्या ड्यूटीज़ है. उनमें से भी दो है, टीचर्स और क्लासमेट्स की, टूवर्ड्स टीचर्स एंड क्लासमेट्स. व्हाट आर योर ड्यूटीज़ टूवर्ड योर टीचर्स. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. I think first of all you have to be respectful toward your teachers. Then be courteous, be grateful for their help in your progress in life. Okay. Then it is your also duty that you will stay in touch even after your school or college days, है ना. कॉलेज डेज के बाद भी अगर आपकी 12th हो जाएगी तो 12th के बाद भी इट इज़ इफ पॉसिबल देन यू विल स्टे, यू मे स्टे इन टच इवन आफ्टर योर स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज. Then update them of your progress. greet them on special occasion, that may be on festival, new year, etc. It is very important because this shows your respect toward your teachers. Okay, then classmates, you know very well what are your duties toward your classmates. Obviously, you should be courteous, then try to away them from the bad habits. Okay, then help those who may need support. Share your notes while safeguarding against lazy ones. Then be cooperative. Then be good team member. Then give moral support in their difficult time. You know, help them in solving their problems if possible, etc. Okay, and we can also say that here you can also stay in touch after your school days or after your college days with your classmate also, particularly on the special occasions, festivals, new years, etc. Okay, these are the duties toward your family, toward your college and school. Okay, thereafter the right the poet. What is about poet? Dilip Chitre is the poet of this poem. um, According sorry Dilip Chitre, what was there? Dilip Chitre was a celebrated bilingual poet and translator with a remarkable work in Marathi and English. ओके, बिलिंगुअल, दो लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने राइटिंग की है. पोएट वो दो लैंग्वेज के हैं, मराठी एंड इंग्लिश की, एज वेल एज ही इज अ ट्रांसलेटर. ही इज अ वर्सटाइल क्रिएटिविटी एक्सटेंड पेंटिंग, फिल्म मेकिंग एंड his notable contribution as the magazine columnist. He received the prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award both for poetry as well as for the well-known translation works, says Tuka, popular Abhangas by Sant Tukaram. He had started translation of literary work of the saints in Marathi at the age of 16. Okay, 16 एज के थे तभी उन्होंने ये काम शुरू किया था ट्रांसलेटर का, और संत तुकाराम के जो अभंग है उन्होंने ट्रांसलेट किए थे. Alienation, self disintegration, and death are observed to be the major theme of his work. Okay, it is the major theme. What is about poem? This poem is taken from the Traveling in a Cage. It draws a portrait of the suburban commuter. It depicts his dull, monotonous, exhausting, and equally pitiable daily routine. It describes a forced alienation at home, which is the reflected through the stale food and lack of sharing. His children refuse to share their joys and sorrows to the hard-working father, who as a result is forced to retire into solitude. This very painful loneliness is a symbol of man's isolation from the materialistic man-made world. Okay, in short, what can we say that here in this poem the poet want to tell us, the poet shows the loneliness and the world weariness of an old man in the modern society. Okay, it is an account of any old man who works hard for his family but leads monotonous life where no one is there to take care of him, to conserve with him, or to understand his feelings. That's why it is very important to follow our duties toward our parents, our siblings, and our grandfather or grandparents also. Okay, we will start the poem from next.